guys, so in this module I'm going to talk about vitamin D. So what is it? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for human health. It is often called the sunshine vitamin because the body can produce it when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is important for many functions in the human body. So why do we need vitamin D? So vitamin D is responsible for a lot of stuff. One of the things it does is helps build strong bones as it aids calcium absorption. It supports the immune system. It lowers the risk of chronic diseases. It regulates your mood, supports brain function, and aids with muscle strength. So if we're not getting enough vitamin D, what can happen? So the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency can include fatigue, muscle weakness, bone pain, and increased risk of fractures. It can also lead to osteoporosis, a condition where the bones become thin and brittle. Furthermore, this has been linked to increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. So how do we make sure we're getting enough? So the number one way the body produces vitamin D is exposure to sunlight. However, it is important to be cautious and don't get sunburned. I'm not sure what happened to the rest of my slide, so I will fix this in a later video. But other sources of vitamin D are fatty fish and fish liver oils, such as like salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, cheese, red meat, such as beef, liver, and some mushrooms, especially commercially grown ones, due to the high amount of ultraviolet light they're exposed to. It is important to note, however, that milk is not classed as a good source of vitamin D in the UK. We don't fortify our milk, so although cheese is in there, milk isn't a good source.